So guys, you know, Medicube hit me up in an email saying how much they loved my videos and asked me if I want to try out their serum, their 3-set serum. So I was like, yeah, let's run it. Let's do it. So I did. So here it is. The one I was most interested in was right here, the PDRN Pink Rose. I think it's the rose. It smells like roses. Peptide serum with PDRN 1% and 5 types of peptide complex. This is the one I'm most excited about. This is the one I'm gonna use. These other ones will get separate videos. This one is TXA noxinamide 15% serum, and this one is culture colic acid turmeric niacinamide serum right here. So for people that don't know, what PDRN is, it is Korean. It was founded in Korea, and they use PDRN in needles, and the women get it injected in their vajayjay for tightening after childbirth. So it's not medically, and they get it done in their face too. That's their Botox. And we don't have it FDA approved other than for the base as topical form in the United States. So yeah, so I'm like, oh, and by the way, it's salmon semen, mind you. PDRN is salmon semen DNA. DNA just took out salmon semen, I think. That's how they do it. I don't know. Well, I know it's salmon semen. So, when I was researching it, I was like, you know, if they injected in there vajayjay to make it tight out, I gotta. So I have a lot of products with that. So here we are with the Medicube one. Oh, it's cold. Oh, I hate the feel of this anything on my face. Driven. That's the worst part for me of making these videos, is I don't like the feel of like wetness coming down. Like, I don't know, I'm a texture like person, so you know, when it comes to the way I eat, I've been that since God knows when, since I was little. This smells like roses. It smells so good. Yes, it smells so good. And that's all you do after you wash and you tone. You do this. And then you do a moisturizer or whatever steps you would like to do. I'm seeing if it says anything else. It's all Korean, so I can't read it to you guys, you know, and I kind of forgot to take notes down and use the translator.